Okay, if we can start then by the very, very beginning of your journey. So take it from there, how you started off.
So we started off being conscious that we'd like to reduce our carbon footprint and maximise the opportunities to use renewable energies where we could. And I think our initial thought was more towards just the solar panels. It was only after our discussion with Daylight Energy that we thought about having an air source heat pump as well. We, again, through our discussions with Daylight Energy, considered the advantages of having a Tesla battery for storage, which definitely made sense to us. You know, we'd hopefully be generating lots of power, more than we could use, and we'd want to then use that during the evening when the solar wasn't necessarily creating more electricity for us. So Daylight Energy were the first company we approached, and in fact the only company we approached. We were impressed with the information that we received. We were impressed with the personal contact we had, and we felt we were confident to go ahead with Daylight Energy without necessarily doing too much of a market comparison. Communication with Daylight was excellent, and again, couldn't speak highly enough of the service that we received, both from the people on location and from Daylight themselves, in both letting us know what was going to happen when people were turning up and the aftercare as well.
How was the usability of the system in its entirety?
So the usability of the system is absolutely fantastic. We come with both a solar app and a power source app, a Tesla app and a solar panel app. It's really easy to use, and also you become quite addicted to seeing how much energy you're generating at any one time. So whereas previously we had a smart meter and we could see we'd turn on the washing machine, we'd turn on the dishwasher, and the electricity usage would jump up. Now you can watch the various apps that we have, and it's making no impact at all because we're paying the panels and the air source heat pump are paying for it themselves. So since having the systems installed, we have really noticed a difference. We've slightly altered how we live in our house now, because rather than doing things overnight, which we would have done in the past with the dishwasher and washing machine, we now program them for during the day because we know that we're not going to pay anything for it. Fantastic. I wish we'd done it earlier.